Hello, this is our video for the Texas Instruments India Innovation Challenge 2014 for a project entitled Low Cost Digital Pen Attachment. There are a lot of digital pens available in the market today, but they either require a special paper to be written on or they are not affordable to the common man. What we thought was we could eliminate the need of special paper and also make it affordable to the layman by using our innovation. Our innovation was that we tried to use an optical mouse IC and attach it to a pen so that as the pen moves, the IC moves along with it and data is recorded and you can get a digital imprint of everything that you have written on paper. This can be very helpful in today's world where keeping a keeping digital data is extremely easy, and you can keep a lot of backups and you'll never lose it, while paper can be easily lost and you can lose important information. So what we did was we bought a normal optical mouse from the market. So for example, we used an iTech mouse over here, and we removed the IC from inside the mouse and we tried using it in our project. Since there were no data sheets or communication protocols available for this IC, we were working with trial and error, and we were unsuccessful in obtaining the communication protocols and we couldn't proceed further with our project in the stipulated time period. An optical mouse IC consists of a built-in CCD and a DSP. There is a LED that gives out red light, and there's a system of lenses, so the light is focused onto the CCD. Now, since any surface is not exactly smooth, there is a shadow pattern formed onto the CCD. The CCD takes images at a very high rate, around 1500 images per second. And what the DSP does is it compares shadow patterns formed between two successive images and finds out how exactly the camera has been moved between these two time intervals. And it gives out DX and DY values of how the IC has been moved. So using this we can know how the pen has moved, and data can be recorded. Now with our experiments of trial and error, we have found out this. There are four wires coming out of this IC. The four wires stand for VCC, clock, ground and data. The clock pin is an input from the microcontroller or your computer, and the data pin is a bidirectional pin with two-way communication between the microcontroller and the DSP. This IC has already been pre-programmed to save power. So when the IC is on the surface and data is being recorded, the LED glows with a higher intensity, and the minute I take it off the surface, the intensity reduces to save power. Now, we also thought of including one more module to our project, the IR distance sensor module. This is for since if this IC is lifted completely off the paper, there won't be any data recorded, and then we can't use it for any useful purpose. So what we thought was we would put two IR sensors at the top left and top right corners of the page, and there will be a IR transmitter onto the pen and two receivers at these two corners. So as you can see in this diagram, using simple geometry, we can calculate the x and h values, that is the x and y coordinates of the pen at the point where it was lifted off, and it can also be calculated the point where writing was resumed again. So using this, if there are any paragraphs being written on a page, say the pen is lifted off the paper completely and kept aside, and writing is resumed, we can know where the writing was stopped and where the writing was started again. These are the equations for x and h. We worked really hard on trying to obtain the communication protocols and the data sheets for this IC, but we could not, we were unsuccessful in doing so, due to which we could not proceed with our project and we could not complete it in the stipulated time period. So So TI ADC 2014 was a very good experience for us, and there were a lot of things we could learn. Though we could not complete a project in the given time, we will surely try to finish it by ourselves, and hopefully we might. And and we would like to thank Texas Instruments for providing us with a great opportunity for learning that would not have happened in our normal academic course. So, thank you and goodbye.